Hi, this is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice Drink Edition. Today we're going to make a shot. Any shot, somebody? No, it's a drink. We are going to make a buzz zombie brain. We are going to use chocolate wine, Italian espresso liqueur, and Irish cream. It's 1/3 chocolate wine, 1/3 Italian espresso liqueur, and then 1/3 of, where's my Irish cream? Oh, I'll get back to you. And we're gonna drizzle it slowly. And look at the brains. It is delicious. Here, you're a good hand. Salute. Oh. It's delicious.